Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today in this session we are going to discuss genetic structure of multi-agent systems under artificial intelligence. So first of all you should note the meaning of genetic structure of multi-agent systems. So in simple terms we can say multi-agent system is a group of agents like some robots, software programs or intelligent entities that work together to solve a problem. If we talk about genetic structure of the multi-agent system, it means using the rules of genetics. Genetics means DNA, genes, evolution, natural selection, all these are the rules of genetics. We can also include crossover here. We can also include mutation here. So simply genetic structure of multi-agent system means using the rules of genetics inside a multi-agent systems. Multi-agent system means a group of intelligent agents, right? So that the agents can learn. With the help of this, agents can learn, agents can share so many good strategies, and they can also improve their performance over time. Just like living beings evolve and get better through generations. This is how genetic structure of multi-agents works. In simple terms, we can also say it is a way to make many agents. Means it is a way to make many robots, many programs smarter step by step just by copying the idea of evolution in nature. This is genetic structure of multi-agent systems. Clear everyone? Now we have some working related to it, how it works. First of all, we have some genes. Here small rules or strategies an agent follows. Chromosome means collection of genes like full behavior of the agent. Population means all agents in the system. Evolution means over time, weak strategies are replaced with the stronger one. That is called the evolution. So these are the four steps which tells you about the working of genetic structures in multi-agent systems. Now if we talk about some examples. So the first example can be, imagine we have 10 delivery robots. We have 10 delivery robots in a city. Each robot has some genetic code, right? That defines how it chooses the fastest route, how it saves the battery, how they avoid the traffics. Every robot learn from their experience. For example, the best performing routes are shared like genes here. Bad strategies died out immediately, right? So robots learn from their experiences with the help of this particular system. After many iterations, all robots evolves to deliver faster and more efficient. This is similar to how genetic algorithm works, right? For example, if you are a delivery boy in a city, at the first point, at the first day of your job, you must, you maybe you have followed the longest route by mistake. At the second shift or second day, आपने सीख लिया कि कैसे हम उस रूट से गए थे तो बहुत समय लगा था, तो आपने अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस से सीखा और जेनेटिक्स ने नेचुरली आपको अलाउ किया कि कैसे शॉर्टेस्ट वे को चूज करना है, कैसे अपनी गलतियों से सीखना है, कैसे अपनी जेनेटिक एल्गोरिथम्स को यूज करना है. दिस इज हाउ मल्टी एजेंट सिस्टम्स अंडर जेनेटिक स्ट्रक्चर वर्क्स. Now we have some usages, like if we talk about robotics, multiple robots coordinating in rescue operations like delivery or farming. Traffic management, smart cars learn best driving patterns to avoid the congestion. Next is the healthcare, virtual agents helping doctors find better treatment plans through simulation. Another is economics and trading. intelligent agents finding profitable strategies in stock markets. And if we talk about game AI, non-player characters, NPCs learning and adapting to players' strategies. These are the usages of genetic structure in multiple agents. Before moving to its benefits, I would like to share with you some simple real life analogy. Simple real life analogies include: think of a team of students preparing for exams. We have a group of students preparing for any exam. Each student here can be called as the agents, right? So each agent has a different study strategy, means each student has a different genetic code, right? The best strategy or the best genetic code, for example, group discussion, revision, are copied by others. Over time, the whole class performs better in exams. This is how genetic structure improves the multi-agent systems. I hope you understand the concept very clearly with the help of this particular example. If you still have any doubt, you can definitely share with me in the comment section. Now, let's talk about its benefits. So, the first benefit is self learning. So, as you can see here, agents improve without human interventions. It has a self learning property that helps the agents to learn with their past experiences, to learn by using their algorithmic genes. Another benefit is its adaptability. It can handle the changes in environment like traffic jams, new obstacles. Optimization, it finds best or near best solutions like fastest delivery, lower cost, higher safety. These are taken under the optimization algorithm. Next we have is the scalability. It works well even when many agents are involved. We have so many agents, like I have discussed earlier, in a group of students here are called some agents, right? So genetic algorithms in multi-agent systems, many students, we can say, work well together to achieve their goal. Robustness robustness means if one agent fails, other can continue evolving and solving the problem. Like for example, in a group of students, if one student is failed to complete a particular task or to complete a particular goal, then other agents are also there, other students are also there who will continue evolving and solve the problem. Clear, everyone? So I hope everything is clear to you. If you have any doubt left, you can surely share in the comment section. So thank you so much and all the very best.